In the latest episode of Dr. Fauci is a Moron, he has decided to open his mouth and say, hey, we got the face mask working. Let's add a set of goggles to your eyes now. So not only are you going to look like you're having breathing issues, but you're going to be sweating like crazy because you're going to have a set of goggles on you. So don't be surprised if some of these mandates get changed to where it's not only just masks now, but also goggles you have to wear. Why don't you just go ahead and put a trash bag on you? That way you'll protect yourself from any so-called crap that's going on. The virus is getting on my nerves. It really is. And it's bad enough this joker is sitting there, John is Jacker, and basically telling people what they should and should not do. I don't need this joker like him to tell you what to do. But the worst part is, a lot of you are complying. Stop complying. Stand up. They want mail-in ballots. They want to cheat in November. That's what this all comes down to. Joe Biden. It has nothing to do with the virus. Folks, you need to understand that there is an agenda to take your vote. You need to get this out there. You need to be vigilant. You need to wake up and stop falling for this garbage. And I will see you all in the next video. Take care.